Hello, we are at 999 Bush, apartment 404. This is an updated studio apartment with hardwood floors throughout. So here we are coming in the main room. Nice bay window there. There are some built-in shelves and drawers. Okay, coat closet, electric wall-mounted heater, nice high ceilings. Kitchen has granite countertops, newer cabinets, got a gas stove there. And a fridge. Coming through, we got a nice big closet off of the main room here. Pan back for you. Okay. And then it leads to the bathroom. Got tile floor here in the bathroom. Shower over tub. Bathroom vanity. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We do want you to come see the apartment in person and then apply if interested. 999 Bush 404. Thanks for watching.